In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a countdown timer to your GoDaddy website. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account and opening your website builder dashboard. From there, select the website that you want to edit. Once the correct site is open, click Edit Website to launch the website editor. After the editor loads, go to the page where you want the countdown timer to appear. This could be your home page, a sales page, an event page, or any other section of your site where a countdown would be useful. Next, click the plus button to add a new section to the page. This will open the Add Section menu, where you can browse the different types of sections available for your website. In the search bar, type Countdown to quickly look for a countdown section. If you prefer, you can also scroll through the available categories to find it manually. Once you see the countdown option, select it and then choose the layout that best fits your page design. After adding the section, you will be able to customize the timer settings. Set the end date and time for your countdown. Make sure the information is accurate, especially if you are using the timer for a sale, event, launch, or limited time offer. Once the timing is set, update the text in the section. You can change the title and description so the countdown matches the message of your page. Then adjust the design options to fit the style of your website. Depending on the layout, you may be able to edit colors, spacing, background elements, and other visual settings. When everything looks the way you want, click Done to save your changes in the editor. Take a moment to review the section on the page and make sure it is displaying correctly. If the countdown timer looks good and the content is ready, click Publish to make the updated version of your website live. After publishing, visitors to your site will be able to see the countdown timer in real time. This is a simple way to create urgency and highlight important dates directly on your GoDaddy website. It is especially useful for promotions, product launches, registrations, and event announcements. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.